Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Nice to hear that you are fine. Are you ready?
Yes,
By the way, what's your name?
my name is Flower.
Flower. That's a cute name. Flower. By the way, this will be your midterm video interview in Phonics 2A. Okay? Let's
Yes,
start. First, help me count the numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, let's proceed with your body parts. Tell me, Flower, how many noses do you have?
I have one nose.
How about it?
I have one face. I have one mouth.
Very good. How many ears do you have?
I have 2 ears. I have 2 arms.
Hands.
I have 2 feet. I have 2 knees. I have 2 eyes. I have 10 fingers.
Fingers.
I have 10 toes.
Very good. Now let's proceed with family. Okay. Tell me, who's this?
This is my father. This is my mother. This is my brother. This is my sister. This is my baby brother. This is my baby sister. This is my grandfather. This is my grandmother. This is my aunt. This is my uncle.
About describing people, family adjectives. Okay, tell me about this person.
He is young. He is tall. He is handsome. He is fat. He is slim. He is tall.
Very good. Now about color, son, what color is it?
He is red.
It's red.
Is red. Is pink. Is yellow. Is blue. Is purple. Is brown. Is green. Is orange.
Now about this, what is it?
I
It's
eat
um,
a purple grape.
good job. How about this?
Eat a green leaf. Eat a blue bag. Eat a black pen. Eat a chop.
What color? Red.
Eat a red strawberry.
Good job. Now about shapes. What shape is it?
Eat
It's
a cone.
cone.
Eat a house. Eat a cube. Eat a
Time.
diamond.
Good job. Tell me what toys do you have?
Eat I have a bag. I have a bowl. I have a bear. I have a tray. I have a kite. I have a dog. I have a robot. I have
That's the end of your speaking. Thank you, Flower.